What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. Or hold on, should I say the Grand Marquis Doctor's channel. What's good, Grand Marquis owners and subscribers? So if the AC compressor has fell on your Mercury Grand Marquis and you guys are planning to replace it yourself, then I'm finna show you guys how to remove the AC compressor. But first, before you start working on your vehicle, you have to take it to a shop so they can retrieve and recover the refrigerant. It's illegal to vent the refrigerant out into the atmosphere. Even though there's some shady companies out there doing much more worse to the environment, unfortunately, we don't have that money to pollute the world. Also, by the way, you guys, it's necessary to remove the accumulator. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that part first and then the AC compressor. So let's get to it. Disconnect the black negative battery cable and move it out of the way. Use a 3/8 ratchet to release the tension on the belt. If you don't have a long ratchet or a breaker bar, you can use a floor jack handle and slide it over the end of the ratchet to give you more leverage. Remove the serpentine belt. Remove the AC pressure lines. Use a 13mm socket. If you follow this line, you'll find it connected to the accumulator. Pull the retainer clip off. Use a quick disconnect tool to push it into the line and pull the line while twisting it off. Disconnect the wiring connection. Disconnect the other pressure line. Raise the front of the Grand Marquis with a floor jack and lower it onto jack stands for support. Place a 2x4 on the floor jack to protect the frame. Remove 3 13mm bracket bolts, securing the accumulator. Disconnect the AC compressor coil harness. Disconnect the wiring connection behind the AC line by the exhaust manifold. Underneath the vehicle, disconnect the wiring harness connectors and remove the nuts on the bracket. Loosen the 4 13mm mounting bolts from the AC compressor. Remove the AC compressor out with the AC lines. When purchasing a new compressor, make sure to ask if it comes with oil already inside. If it doesn't, then you will have to pour some oil in it. When replacing a compressor, you're supposed to drain the old one and measure the oil that comes out and put the same amount in the new one. The system calls for 7 ounces of PEG 46. Pour the oil into the low pressure side, which is the bigger hole. Install the AC line assembly to the new compressor. Remove the switch and bracket from the old accumulator and install it onto the new one. Make sure there's an O-ring and be careful not to over tighten the switch. Install new O-rings on the lines and install everything back. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and I ended up recharging the AC system myself, but I still highly recommend you guys taking it to a shop so they could do it for you. It's much more expensive purchasing those AC cans. Also at a shop, they'll let you know if there's anything else wrong with your AC system. I hope y'all found this video helpful. I wish I could show you guys every individual step and give you guys the best footage. I mean, I do try, but these cars are daily driven, so I have to get them ASAP on the road. I can't be lagging on it, and also I gotta deal with the weather condition. I'll be getting tired, you guys. So if there's anything that I miss, or if you guys saw something and you want to give a better tip or opinion, go ahead, put it in the comment section, you guys. And yeah, we're here to help each other out. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. Alright, real quick, for those that are Grand Marquis subscribers that be watching my videos, even though sometimes I don't feature the Grand Marquis, check out the walls, you guys. I finally took the time to paint them. I know they were dirty. They look nice. I hung up this XJ40 grill and also a Series 3 grill, but you guys can't see it. It's out of the frame. And I plan on hanging some pictures up on this side of the wall. I'm going to hang up all 10 of my kids and all 5 of my baby mamas and my 2 girlfriends. It's gonna look good. Alright you guys, late.